welcome back to my YouTube channel Knowledge Hub in Analytics. I'm back with another video on LeetCode SQL problems or different level of difficulties. In the previous video I have solved medium level of difficulties. In this video I'm going to again solve easy level of difficulties problems. And before moving ahead, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then I request you all to please subscribe to it so that you will get notified of any future videos on SQL. Let's just start. Students and examinations. So here we have a students table with student ID and student name, subjects table with subject name, examinations table with student ID and subject name. Data solution defines the number of times each student attended each exam. How many number of times every student attended each exam? Return the result type out of the student ID. So in students table we have student ID, student name in the input, subject's name and examinations table. In examinations table you can see student ID 1 has attended math 1, 2 and 3 times. In the output you can see student ID 1 math 3 times. Same for physics, you can see student ID 1 attended 1 time and 2 times. 2 times for physics. For programming only 1 time. Student ID 2 attended programming 1 time and math 1 time. Math 1 time, physics 0 time, programming 1 time. Like that we need to find the output. Let us just solve. I'm going to use with clause here with A as select student ID, comma student name, comma subject name from students, comma subjects table, order by student ID and subject name. Let me close this. Now I'm going to write another CTE which is B as select student ID, subject name, attended exams, count star as attended exams from examinations table, group by 1, 2, order by 1, 2. Now I'm going to write select A dot student ID, A dot student name, A dot subject name, comma if null B dot attended exams, comma 0, that is attended exams. From A left join B on A dot student ID equals to B dot student ID and A dot subject name equals to B dot subject name. We want to order it by student ID and subject name. Let me see the output. So it's correct. So we got the output: student name, student ID, student name, subject name, attended exams. Attended exams, how I calculated from the examinations table. Student ID we have, subject name we have, and constant, that is number of subjects that each student ID attended. That is what we wanted to output. Number of times each student attended each exam. That is number of exams, like number of subject each student attended. We are going to submit this. Accepted. Now I'm going to solve another problem, which is list the products ordered in a period. We have products table, product ID, product name, product category, and orders table, or product ID, order date, and unit. Write a solution to get the names of products that have at least 100 units ordered in Feb 2020 and their amount. We have input. In the output, we want only product name and unit. So let me write select product name, comma, unit. That is, we want sum of unit. As unit from products table, P join orders table O on P dot product ID equals to O dot product ID. And we want for year Feb 2020 and left of order date, comma 7 equals to 2020 02. Group by product name, having sum of unit greater than or equals to 100. Let me run this. So it's accepted. Let me submit this. So we have successfully solved this problem. Now the last problem that we want to solve is list the product order in a period. Now we are left with movie rating. This is a medium level of difficulty, but we also want to solve it anyhow. We have three tables. One table is movies, movie ID and title. Another table is users, user ID and name of the user, movie rating, movie ID, user ID, rating, and created ad. Created ad is the user's review date, on which date the user gave the rating, that is the created ad. Find the name of the user who has rated the greatest number of movies. That is, we will use count star here. In case of a tie written, the lexicographically smaller username, that is order by user's ID, we will use order by name. Find the movie name with the highest average rating in Feb 2020. So we want units, the output like this: name of the user and name of the movie. Let me write the subquery. Let me write the query: select name as results from movie, rating as MR, join users U on MR dot user ID equals to U dot user ID. Group by name, order by count star in descending order, comma name. We want to filter, we want to order by name also. Next typography is normal. There is a name that is ascending order limit 1. I'm going to keep it in the bracket. Since I want movie user name, then in the next we want the movie name, so I'll use Indian all here. Again I'll use bracket, select title as results from movie, rating as MR, join movies M on MR.movie ID equals to N.movie ID. Group by title, order by we want to filter it also, so we write where left of created at comma 7 equals to 2020 comma 1102. Group by title, order by average, rating in descending order comma title in the ascending order. Then we have limit 1. We'll close this in the bracket. Let me run this query. Accepted. Let me submit this. So we have successfully solved this problem as well. So that's all for today's video on medium level of difficulties, on easy level of difficulties. In the next video I'm going to solve another level of SQL LeetCode problems from the page number 2. As you can see, these are any easy or medium or hard level of difficulties problem I'm going to solve. And lastly I'm going to solve page number 3, which are all premium iOS. So there is no free user, free account, free problems which are in the only one problem is there, 2 problems are there, 3 problems are there. That's all for today's video. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video if you find it helpful. That's all the best.